How reliable is this? Yeah, I don't know. It's just patterns and trends. It's not a science. But we all have patterns to our behavior. And once you know them, they become totally predictable. Because this one and this one are 180 degrees diametrically opposed. They want results in bottom line. They want detail. They hate bottom line. They hate detail. There's two different presentations. These two are different than them.
What does the I do?
I is influencing. They're the glue that holds the organization together. The question was, what does the I do? It's dominant, influencing, steady, compliant, or conscientious. The D's are motivated by a challenge. They'll get a business up and running, but you got to get them out of there, because D also stands for drama. They're psychologically addicted to it, and they'll bring it into the company. And company enemies of business has several enemies. One is drama and one is confusion. So you got to get them out. High I's are the glue that hold this organization together, because they're the people. They'll explain the high D's behavior and make it acceptable to the rest of the organization. High S's do the work. They like repetitive tasks. High C's check for compliance. Bottom line, detail. Biggest fear is being taken advantage of. Biggest fear is ostracism, not allowed to participate in the group. They love people. Biggest fear is interruption, surprises, interruption of the status quo. They hate surprises. They do things the way they do them because you're supposed to do it that way. High C's biggest fear is mistakes or being made wrong. You can tell a high C because there's two words they will never, ever, ever say, no matter what you say to them, ever. They won't say it. One is this, and the other one is this. They can't say it because it depends. And there's too many variables, and you just can't be that absolute about anything, because too many things could change or go wrong. You just never know. So once you know that, you know how to get the right people to do the right thing at the right time. So if you have more than one of these, you have chaos. If you have more than one of these, nothing happens because it keeps getting analyzed. It's called analysis paralysis. It takes forever. So when you talk about contractors, realtors, home buyers, home sellers, you're going to run across these four characters because they're out there. They're sitting in this room.
What does that stand for?
This is dominant, influencing, steady, and conscientious. 8, keep the faith. 9, manage people. 10, prepare to throw all this away if a paradigm shift disrupts your life, which it could very easily do. Okay, final thoughts. Ready to wrap this up? Okay, this is how, again, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I've done that's helped me with some of my success. What's a paradox? Seemingly opposites. There's two definitions. One is things that seem to be the opposite of each other. The other one is you get what you avoid. So what I'm talking about in regard to these goals and doing it like this, what I'm saying is, for some of you, it's going to be very what? Hard, which means whenever you wake up and you see something that's hard to do, or you have something in your life that's hard to do, you got to go do that next. That's the next thing you take on. So what happens is, if you'll do things that you find what? Hard, then what happens is the rest of your life is going to get easy. So what I know is the first 30 years, I took it easy. And then I lost everything. And because I have limited skills, things were really, really what? Hard. So I spent the next, well, since then, I just, whatever's hard. Do it, if it's crazy. You know, I got a phone call from a friend of mine. He goes, I got 9 of the guys. You're the 10th one. We're going to ride our bicycles from Astoria to Crescent City. It's 400 miles in 6 days. It's 20,000 feet of climb through the mountains. You in or out? And I'm like, hell yeah. Or 6 days of my life. High D's are motivated by a challenge. It was very, very, very hard. But now doing laps around the dam, which is only 45 miles, gets what? Easy. talking to me, developing people skills, being kind to people. For me, I don't know, it's hard. I don't have people skills, but I'm working on it. And over time, it's gotten a little what? Easier. I'm not there yet. I've come away. I got a way to go, but I just, you know what? I think we're just all trying to get to the same place, right? So that's what I do. I go find something hard, and then in comparison, things get easy. Okay. Hope that helps. Okay. Last thing is this. This is the last sentence on you. You have 2 more blanks? Okay. So I'll leave you with this. Most people wish it was easier. Most people wish it was easier rather than getting better. So just, if you want it better, just go get better. Okay, last one on the page. Celebrate the wins. Celebrate them. Stop. Go celebrate the wins. Don't blow past those wins. Stop. Celebrate.
That was the 8-step goal setting and achievement process. Thank you for your time, and I hope it was well spent.